you can get it off with your razor blade. But this right here, that's what my main concern is. So yeah, this is the one this is like I was talking about when I was doing the back door, is sometimes you can just, it's real dry and it'll come right off. This is almost dry. Maybe that extra crap right there, you gotta get out of it too. So it's nice to have a dust brush. But any of this real thick stuff, you gotta get rid of. If you can notice, it's under here too. That's what my buddy. Where's the buddy Charlie? What's wrong? So that's really what you're doing. You're cleaning up all this extra stuff. You give yourself a nice cut line. And it is pretty much what it's coming down. What it comes down to. Let's clean this out so you get a nice cut line. When I post this video, I'm gonna try to look up the name of this stuff they use, because I've heard a couple different names of this stuff they use on this stuff, but it's the same stuff that the window companies use on their windows and doors. But I'm not 100% sure if it's like acrylic or what, like what base it really is, because I know for it to be this gummy like this, it's almost like it's like an epoxy. Because like I said, these doors are probably 15 years old, maybe older. You gotta watch out when you do this stuff, because it'll fall on the ground and you're stepping it, and it'll track it in your carpet, and you do not want this stuff in your carpet. But there's so much of it, you gotta let it fall straight down so then you can clean it up and keep it all together. Because this area that I'm at is just a little tighter than any other. You can tell how sticky that stuff is. And this stuff's kind of dry. But just keep it all together and throw it away, because this stuff's a mess. Like even the smallest piece will get stuck through your shoe and you'll notice it. but that's what you want to do. You want to clean up these lines, so when we go to paint it, that glue don't make the paint fisheye. And even this lip right here, like, even though it's a lot of just dirt, it's not necessarily that stuff. You want to clean that edge off so you don't have to get a sandy sponge or nothing in there. You see how it holds all that crud. That's the worst thing about these fiberglass doors. All these grids are fiberglass. So every time they get like stress cracks in them,